It started recording. Okay, now. So I welcome all of you for the second live session. So I'm here to answer if you have any query regarding the course Ergonomics Research Techniques. I will wait for some time that you are, if you ask questions to me. Okay. So I'll just wait for all of you to join me in this link and ask if you have any doubt. Questions will come in the chat, right? Yes. So, like before you start, giving the questions, maybe I can start with the answers of the discussion forum. There is a specific question was asked by one participant asking about the difference between the support and wheel in the RAAP tool. Okay. So in RAAP tool is for your pulling, pushing. So if there is some kind of wheel, definitely that is the support, and that is going to help you to move the object or move the load with less effort. So that is one kind of benefit or advantage if you have a wheeled equipment. So RAAP tool only talks about wheeled equipment or equipment without wheel. There is nothing called support in terms of floor support or in terms of any other support. Okay. So if there is a question asking about which one is going to help you, definitely either it is related to wheel. So you can see your answer. It's specifically mentioned that it is either if it is wheel, then definitely the person or the operator is getting a support. Okay. So there is nothing called support separately without wheel. Support doesn't mean the holding of the object. Support means help supporting the movement. Okay, so that was one clarification I thought of giving you regarding the RAAP protocol. Okay, so that was one of the major concern or one of the frequently asked question in the discussion forum. Apart from that, I don't remember. I think we answered whatever small queries were there. There were small corrections were required for the for the assignment that has been done. Another question was asked regarding the okra, which was for the distal upper extremity. So okra mainly talks about the upper extremity. It never talks about anything related to lower extremity. So definitely in the question, it was written as extremity. Yes, it would have written as upper extremity, because okra is only for upper extremity, not for lower extremity. So I assume that you will understand it and you will be able to answer the question correctly. So that small correction in the assignment has been already made and it has been incorporated. Okay, so okra is for upper extremity, not for lower extremity. So if you have any question being asked related to okra, it is definitely for the upper extremity. This is second. Third query was regarding the Snooks table, that yes, in the Snooks table, we are going to decide the weight limit or weight limit while doing the lifting, loading, or pulling, pushing, or something like that. Then where is the kind of design considerations? If we at all decide that we are doing or we are lifting much more higher load than it is the recommended, then how do we do the design modification? So design, if we understand, yes, that there is a concern that we are doing more than what is recommended, then we need to do something. If not, if there is no possibility of reducing the total weight, so there is first application or intervention is that you reduce the weight. So that is the straight cut solution. There is nothing about the design modification. Okay, so there is it's a management that you are going to decide. Okay, you supposed to lift 10 kgs. Now you are lifting 15 kgs. So you are lifting 5 kgs more. And so it is not recommended, it is bad for your health. So what you do, you reduce the weight. So that is a straight cut solution. So that is not the design solution. Design solution is somewhere else. Design solution, how do you play with the vertical distance? So if there is a change in the vertical distance, the amount of load you are handling can be changed. Okay, the kind of frequency is required to handle the load in that particular scenario. If you can play with that, then it is a design. So that is why, so if you find from the Snooks table that load handled by the operator is more than recommended, and there is no chance of change the amount of load that currently you are handling, then is the design challenge, that what you are doing, what you are going to you are going to reduce either the vertical height, or you are going to reduce or change. I won't say reduce, I would say change in the frequency of the handling power. Okay, so these are the things where you need design. Yes, I see someone has written something. Yes, it is good. Yeah, good evening. Book list. So what I suggest, Professor V.S. Rao, right? Yes. So at the very beginning, in the introduction slides, I have given 6 names of the 6 books. Whatever I am trying to teach, you can refer those books along with whatever material or material indices presentation that I'm sharing. That is more than sufficient to understand these tools and techniques. Okay, so you can refer my presentation as well as the books, the list of the books that I have given in the very first day of my introduction. So those books only I referred to prepare all these presentation. Okay. So V.S. Rao, I answered your question. Now, question is, where do you find? Now, these are online available. Online purchase is also possible, as well as you may refer to your local libraries, different academic institutions. If you talk about IIT, we have physical copy, hard copy here. So that also is possible. So online purchase at Amazon or any other online portal, you can buy all these books. Yes. So I think V.S. Rao, you only had these questions related to RAB tool. So I answered it. You joined little late, so maybe you can refer it later. Any more question from anyone else? Link has come. Is regarding ergonomics. No, because separately we don't float any online course on ergonomics. We have ergonomics course incorporated in your bachelor and master on ergonomics and related applications, but no such online courses on ergonomics. Yeah. Are you talking about anything related to certificate program or something like that? They have a time lag, right? B.S. Rao, I am unable to understand exactly what you mean by research-oriented finalization of of what? Is it of what is written? Can you read that after of? Research-oriented finalization. section. So do you mean that PhD program or something? Exactly what you mean by finalization of topics? Rekha, can you remove this thing? I think something is hiding behind it. This symbol, this symbol, this, हाँ, ठीक है, okay, okay. Topics, yes, ma'am. So, see, PhD program we do, but it is in design. But considerations, if suppose I am the supervisor or somebody else who is who is specialized in ergonomics, if we do take students who want to do PhD in design, their orientation will be more in the in terms of ergonomics and all such things. But as such, as a separate course, definitely that is that to online we do not, but research oriented finalization, no, not really any specific course on that. Actually, at IIT, specifically if we talk about Department of Design, we do not have any online program till now. Okay, so whatever we have bachelor, we have master, and we have PhD. All are physical program. Okay, so students comes here and be in the department and do their program or courses, whatever it is. So that nothing is online we have. So it's very funny question. External assistancy means what? If you request some person that would you like to help me? If they are willing, they will do it. If they are not willing, they will, there is no specific rules and regulation, right? So it's a it's very difficult to answer this question. There is no such protocol is available, right? So it's a person to whom you are approaching, and what is the kind of mutual understanding you have. So anybody else apart from VS Rao, is there anyone who is who would like to ask something?
you can have those queries.
If no one comes, maybe we can wind it. We can wind it, right? That's, I saw someone joined, but didn't ask question. Earlier, there are 3 persons. So maybe till 25 minutes we can continue and then, or you can wind up. Okay, fine. So as I don't see any further questions are coming, and no one is there in the no, who is watching live. So we are planning to wind up. Um, anyway, we are anyway accessible through discussion. So if you have queries, maybe you can connect us, email us. Okay, and some more set of tools are coming in coming weeks. So pull it up and let's get prepared for your exam. Okay, so I'm closing the session right now. Yeah, thank you so much. I will leave from these.